this is remote control. All right, it's family time.
Oh no. What's wrong? Dad wants to have family time. Oh no. Can we just watch TV, hon? Yeah, what's on?
Well, let me look at my pretend LTC TV guide. Hey, look, it's Dora the Explorer.
Hola, mijos. Look, it's the boy David watching his sheep. Oh no, it's a lion.
Pull him up, pull him up.
Clap your hands and help David fight the lion. I said clap your hands. Yay, David won. Remember, mijos, never question direct orders from your television. Let's go.
Well, I'm the one this kid shows about the wilderness. Why look at nature when God has given us this big TV?
Yeah, Dora's for babies.
All right, what would you like to watch, Mother?
A medical drama featuring attractive doctors.
Doctor, we think one of these patients is hiding something.
Duh, people lie. It's human nature. Everyone here is hiding something.
We need to find out which one of them has kingitis.
Man, he's negative.
Don't worry, I'm Dr. Home. Samuel Home. I'm more than a doctor. I'm like a prophet.
So humble, too. This one looks good.
And you're basing this on...
I think that this
Stop
one-
right there. You don't think. And once the girl has something to prove, have to say.
Well, perhaps a skin test. You know, back in med school.
Stop. Just stop. X-ray.
Was
If you're a prophet, you know that God looks on the inside. Here, David. He'll be king.
Oh.
Oh, that doctor's dreamy.
If I said something like that, I'd have to sleep on the couch.
I think we should watch some reality TV now.
And now, on ancient Israel Idol, David tries to soothe the king and his advisors.
Hi, I'm Ryan Seacrest, and I have no skills or appeal. Welcome to Ancient Idol. David's about to go in there and try to soothe the king who's notoriously cantankerous. I'm a little nervous.
Let's get on with it.
What's up, dog?
Oh, aren't you cute? Now, where are you from?
I'm a shepherd from South Judea.
Boring. Listening to you talk is like counting sheep.
Dog.
Oh, okay, here I go. Create in me a clean heart, oh God.
Yo, dog, that was totally duh. I mean, woof. Duh.
That was magical. You are so special.
You couldn't be more pedestrian if your car broke down.
That's okay. That's the thing I've heard him say it once. Seacrest, ow. Yes.
Give me that remote.
I like Seacrest.
Let's watch one of those hundreds of forensic shows.
What have we got?
Single homicide. Victim appears to be human male.
Based on his size, about 6 cubits, we're guessing he's from Gath.
He's a big boy.
Check this out. He's about to be taller. Here's his head.
What do we know about his attacker?
I'd say he must have been about 8 cubits or more. I doubt it. Look at these impressions.
Oh, these feet were tiny.
Almost childlike. How could a kid kill this giant?
I should cover this rock from the giant's skull. He used brains, not brawn.
He used the gifts he already had.
He slayed giants. He was big.
You know what they say. The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
That's like something else.
Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm PC.
So, why are you dressed like a lion?
I'm hiding from King Saul. He keeps throwing spears at me.
Well, all Max can cope with Jonathan 2.0.
Oh, big deal. You got a best friend who will protect you from the king?
Bye.
Bye.
I hate those commercials.
I love them. I went to buy an apple. I'm easily swayed by appealing to my youth, and even though apples are uncustomizable and are made in sweatshops, I love them. I also like how pretentious they are.
That was a lot of info. Let's just watch a musical number.
All right.
David!
Huzzah, it's my mighty men who helped me become king.
We're men,
Mighty men.
but we're not knights. We wander around Israel looking for fights.
We're gonna fight you.
We're men,
Mighty
we're
men.
quite a sight. We defend the king and get to the fort, that's right.
Here's some money.
We help our boy David.
father?
No, I said mighty.
Ugh. You know, just for that, I'm gonna make you guys watch politics. Hey, look, it's David's inauguration speech.
Ask not what your kingdom can do for you, but ask what you can do for your kingdom. I'm a jelly donut.
Oh, hey, all the kids out of the room. Let's watch some cherries.
Hi, my special guest today is David, King of Israel. We told him he was coming here for a makeover.
Yeah, I'm getting... Wait, I'm not getting a makeover?
No, in fact, we brought in your baby's mama, Bathsheba.
My baby's mom, Bathsheba? Wait,
Wait, the kid is okay.
Hey, Snooky Bear.
Hiya, Dad.
Listen, it's a story of David taking in a criminal going to his home.
What's his name?
Mimio, Shisho, Fosho.
Renfreilio.
Mimio, Chef?
Mephibosheth. You threw him out already. Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down. And I'd like to take a minute, just sit right down and tell you all about the time this guy came to my town. And then walks in this guy, he was up to some good. Told me I should move into his neighborhood. It didn't even matter that my legs were looking all gruesome. He said, you're moving with your uncle, the king of Jerusalem. Holla! Word.
Wow, that was really something, wasn't it? You know what? Let's look at this. This is nice, isn't it? This, right here, is the true Hollywood story of David.
I love retrospective shows.
King David run a humble shepherd, caught a lion and a bear, and became king. But his life wasn't perfect. He had his ups and downs. But he was always ready to listen for God's call. And when God called, he would answer.
Here am I.
Oh, no, turn it off, turn it off.
No. Can he say, here I am, not here am I?
I hate skits that overtly use the LTC theme as a final catchline.
I know, but they're unstoppable. Why doesn't somebody take the lead? We don't need that.
Bedtime.
Okay.
Good night, Chef. All right.